Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township and today I will show you step by step how to add padding in any of the section in WordPress using Elementor. So here I am going to tell you how you can add a padding to your desktop view, and then you can change the padding for your mobile view, and also if you want to give a custom padding for your tablet view also you can do that one. Before moving further, if you want to learn basic to advanced WordPress step by step, you can enroll in our WP Mastery course and become part of WP community. Also, you will get 20 plus pre-made WordPress template on different theme developed by us as a bonus. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. So for this, let me again go to our Elementor page builder, and here what I will do for this section, I will go to the layout, and wherever I have set the height to fit to screen, I will make it default. So as you can see, we don't have any padding and it is not looking good. So what I will do, to add a padding you have to go to the advanced section of it, and then here you will get a padding option. So whatever, like at top if you want to give it 100 pixel of padding, at bottom also if you want to give it 100 pixel of padding, you can give it, or if you want like a 150 top and 150 bottom, you can do that one also. So it's completely depends on you how much big your section is and what padding you want to give. So here you can see like I have given the padding to the desktop view. So how you can let's check it in the tablet view. So here in the responsive mode I want to select it as a tablet, and here in this tablet if you will notice it won't look it is not looking so much good, like the padding is looking very big. So what I can do it over here in the same advanced tab, I can again unlink the padding, and for the tablet view I can give it like 100, or I can give it 80 pixel top, and for bottom I can give it again 80 pixel of padding towards the bottom, and it will look fine. In the same way, when I will go to the mobile view, and if you will notice over here, so we have changed the mobile tablet view, that's why here it is reflecting 80. But still if 80 is not good for you, then what you can do, again you can give it a 50 pixel of top padding and a 50 pixel of bottom padding. So in this way you can change it. And as you have like here if you will notice, like these are not looking good, I want these to be covered. So what you can do, like here you have to remove the margins over here, and then you can give it a custom margin, like towards right if you want to give it 10, and towards left also you want to give it 10. You can give it like this. In the same way for these, like this one is middle, it is fine, and for this one also I want to give it a 10 pixel towards right and a 10 pixel towards left, or for the entire I want to give it a 10 pixel of margin. In the same way, if I will give it for the entire column 10 pixel of margin, and then you will find like this one is looking good in the mobile view. In the same way you can optimize for the tablet view also. If you will go to the tablet view, and you can like you can notice over here it is not looking, if it is not looking good, you can unlink these margins over from here, and you can either make it a single section like this, or the entire section should be looking white, or you can go here and you can reduce the paddings also. Suppose here let me reduce the paddings to 30. In the same way for these, all of these I want to reduce the padding to 30, and then you can notice like it is looking good. So in this way you can change the padding for different views, and you can customize, like for mobile view if you want to add different padding, and for tablet view if you want to add different padding. So this is the way how you can add a padding in your section. Thank you so much for watching this video till now, and please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates.